Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. In last class, domain problems completed. Domain and range not complete. No,
Sir, we did 5 problems.
5 problems. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Next week. Okay. Domain and range problems. Do 5 complete. Right. Sixth one. No doubt. Domain. Domain of the function y is equal to 1 upon 6x square 6x minus x square minus 5. Domain of the function y is equal to 1 upon 6x minus x square minus 5. Then denominator expression is not equal to 0. Already domain of the function rules. Already you know, Ashish. Y is equal to 1 upon 6x minus x square minus 5. Now here 6x minus x square minus 5 is not equal to 0, right? Whenever denominator expression is not equal to 0, then x square minus common, x square minus 6x plus 5 is not equal to 0. Now factors find. X square minus 6x.
6x plus 5 minus 5x
Ah,
no plus minus x plus
ah,
5.
ah,
So it will become
hmm,
x of x minus 5 minus
hmm,
of x plus 5. X minus 5. So it will become x minus 1, x minus 5.
x minus 1.
So x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 5, and x minus 5 equal to 0, x is equal to 5.
X not equal to 1, 1 comma 5, right?
Yes, sir.
Then domain, right? Domain is equal to r minus 1 comma 5, right?
Yes, sir. So this is only this part is there for relations.
Not relation, functions.
Okay, yes, sir. Yeah, functions. Relations is done, right?
Relations already over.
Okay, sir. For
Then
function only this is there.
yes, yes. Today I will send relations and problems, relations.
Okay, sir.
This week test.
So we have Sunday science test and Tuesday maths test, full portion.
Okay.
We have full portion tests.
Then
So, sir,
when we will
I'm
write?
thinking. So I can't write till April because after that my school final exams will start.
Then you will talk to Arsh sir.
Okay, so because this week, with this weekend we have 2 exams, and from next week I have exams, my school exams, final exams. So I won't be able to write.
Okay. Then today only present 2 members online. Offline 1 member.
Yes, other schools have exams.
Exams. Okay. Okay, Ashish. Right.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
final exams are going on, sir.
Hmm.
Can you keep the test after 19th?
Okay.
So for me, exams end on 27.
Hmm.
So can you keep it like in April or something? Like April 1st or April 2nd.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Because as soon as 9th finishes, they'll start 10th also.
Hmm. When is the board examination?
So board exams we have only next year.
Next year. Okay. Final exam.
Yes, sir. This is final
9th.
exam.
Oh, this is final exam. Okay.
This is not like our preparatory is finished last
Okay.
month.
Okay.
In December, it finished preparatories. So just a minute, I'll write this.
Right.
So what is next chapter?
Next chapter.
Yes, sir.
Mathematical induction.
Okay, sir. So just 2 minutes, I'll write last.
Okay. Right. Okay, done, Ashish.
Yes.
Then seventh one. Denominator square root expression. Not equal to 0. See rules. Domain
Greater
rules.
than 0.
Huh?
Greater than 0.
Greater than 0. Class for creed. Okay, domain and range. Then a square minus b square form. A plus b into a minus b, right? Oh, sorry. A. X plus a into x minus a is greater than 0. Then one formula property is there. Here x minus alpha into x minus beta is greater than 0. Then x less than minus alpha or x greater than beta. X minus less than alpha or x greater than beta. This property using where alpha is less than beta. Now here apply x less than minus a or x greater than a, right? X less than minus a or here positive, then inequality change, no? Here x plus a, x minus a. Greater than minus a. Alpha is here less than, correct? X less than minus a or x less than a, correct? Now here here a belongs to x belongs to final answer domain minus infinity comma minus a union a comma infinity, correct? Domain is equal to minus infinity comma minus a union a comma, okay, here a comma infinity, right? Here greater than only. Okay, Ashish.
No, sir. No, sir. Just
Greater than means positive, right? Here minus a plus a, positive, negative, positive. Then here less than means here this side, no, less than. Then greater than means this side. Then positive, yeah, minus infinity comma here minus infinity plus infinity, then minus infinity comma minus a union, then
So
a
I
comma
didn't
infinity.
understand.
Hmm?
I didn't understand after
Ah,
x greater than minus a greater than x and x greater than a. After that, I didn't understand.
this one domain.
Yes, sir.
See, any real number take real number, real number line.
Okay, sir.
Okay, number line minus a and plus a, right?
Yes, sir. Okay, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understood now.
Here minus a and plus a, right?
Yes, sir.
Then any real number from starting positive, from positive to negative positive, right? Then here positive, here greater than means positive, right? Let us take
Yes,
only
sir.
positive. Minus infinity comma minus a union a comma infinity. Okay, understood, Ashish. Now domain is minus a comma minus infinity comma
Yes, sir.
minus a union a comma infinity. Then or else domain is equal to r minus a comma a, right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Inequality chapter is there, separate chapter. Linear inequalities, very important chapter. Okay, done. Eighth question. Domain of a function y is equal to square root. Then how to do? Square root of expression. Inside expression is do. X plus 2 into x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. Then here greater than or equal to 0. Beta correct only. Then next do x plus 2 x minus 3. Then x less than or equal to minus 2 or x greater than or equal to 3. Then domain is equal to domain minus infinity comma minus 2 closed open and closed union closed 3 comma infinity open. Then r minus understood Ashish?
Yes,
Trishala?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, writing.
Right.
So total, how many chapters are there?
16.
Okay, so this is our fourth chapter or fifth.
Third chapter.
Okay, relations and functions is the same.
Relations and functions one chapter together.
Okay, so I thought relations separate chapter,
No.
functions separate.
No.
Okay, sir.
Trigonometry done and sets done.
Six.
Third one is relations and functions. Then
Okay.
after that, mathematical induction.
So like this chapter is almost done. Only
Then
problems left.
graphs also is there. Graphs is there.
Okay, sir. So graphs you'll do today.
Today?
So I'm asking, will you do it today or next class?
Today only.
Okay, sir.
Problems completed, no? Today only complete. Graphs.
Okay, sir. How many problems?
Types of functions.
Okay, sir.
Constant function, identity function, modulus function, greatest integer function, even and odd functions,
Okay, sir.
polynomial function. Okay, done.
No, sir, no, sir, no, sir. No. Just a minute.
Uh, 2 plus x by 2 minus x. Now here f of x is equal to 2 plus x upon 2 minus x is given. Now let y is equal to f of x. Now given function converted to x. Now y is equal to 2 plus x upon 2 minus x. That implies here cross multiply y into 2 minus x is equal to 2 plus x. Now 2y minus xy is equal to 2 plus x. Now x functions, y function separate here. Here 2y minus 2 is equal to x plus xy, right? Now 2 common, y minus 1 is equal to x common 1 plus y. Now here x is equal to 2 into y minus 1 upon y plus 1. 2 into y minus 1 upon y plus 1. Now denominator is not equal to 0. Y plus 1 is not equal to 0. Then y not equal to minus 1. Y not equal to minus 1. Then range is range r minus understood, Ashish?
Yes, sir.
Understood? X is equal to g of y. Rule is every problem same model. Any range problem is given. X by 1 plus x square. F of x is equal to x by 1 plus x square. Do 10th one. Do Ashish 10th one. F of x is equal to x by 1 plus x square. This side sit. Okay, now clear? Do Trishala.
Sir, just a minute.
Okay, Ashish.
Okay, sir.
Huh? After? Okay, then cross multiply. Then x square. Wrong. X square plus x square y plus y minus x is equal to 0. Then quadratic form. Correct now? Here yx square minus x plus y is equal to 0. Correct? Quadratic form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then equation minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, right? Now here a is equal to y, b is equal to minus 1, next c is equal to y. Now substituting here, then we will get
Sir,
Trishala.
sir, f of x, it is x by 1 plus x square. Anything is
X
there?
by 1 plus x square.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus or minus under root b square 1 square 1 minus 4 into y into y. Okay, 1 minus 1 plus or minus square root 1 minus 4y square upon 2y minus 4ac. Quadratic equation, you don't know? Oh, okay.
No, sir, we weren't taught.
Oh, okay. See,
Sir, we were taught.
equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then the roots of the equation x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a.
Yes, sir, we were taught.
Then now here a is equal to here y. Then b is equal to minus 1. C is equal to y, right? Now here substituting plus 1 plus or minus under root 1 minus 4y square, y into y square upon 2y. Then belongs to R here. Belongs to R. Now when 1 minus square root, no? Square root. 1 minus 4y square. 1 minus 4y square you should take. 1 minus 4y square greater than or equal to 0. Then 4y square minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. Inequality change. Here sign change, no? Inequality also change. Now 4y square minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. Then here a square minus b square form. Here 2y square whole square minus 1 square is less than or equal to 0. Then here a square minus b square form a minus b into a plus b. 2y minus 1 into 2y plus 1 is less than or equal to 0. Very important problem. 2y minus 1 into 2y plus 1 is less than or equal to 0. Now here range is equal to closed interval minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Okay. Or else minus 1 by 2 is less than or equal to y less than or equal to 1 by 2. This one also is correct. Okay, Ashish.
Okay, sir.
Minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 1 by 2. Very, very important. And the quadratic equation also is there, 11th. And 10th is there, 10th. Okay, okay. Done, Ashish?
No, sir, no, sir, just 2 minutes.
Hmm. Eleventh one also very, very important. 11th one. Did you complete, Ashish?
Just a minute, sir, just a minute, just a minute.
Do 11th one. 11th one do. Why, Bhavi? Important. Huh? F of x is equal to square root of 9 minus x square is given. Then square root of this expression. Do. First convert it to x. Y is equal to square root 9 minus x square. Then squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Y square is equal to 9 minus x square. Then 9 send this side. or 9 minus y, right? 9 minus y square is equal to x square. Now square root 9 minus y square is equal to x, right? Then after that, square root of expression. Square root of expression is 9 minus y square is greater than or equal to 0. Then 9 minus y square, 3 square, right? 9 is 3 square. 3 square minus y square is greater than or equal to 0. Then a square minus b square form. Then 3 minus y into 3 plus 5. First, convert, see, given function converted to x. Then x is equal to g of y. After that, finding range. Hmm. 3 minus 5 into 3 plus 5. Now tell range. Y square. Here squaring on both sides. 9 minus here 9 send this side. 9 send this side means y square minus 9, right? Here minus x square. Now here minus x square, 9 minus y square, right? Then here positive. Then x. Then square send this side square root. Okay. See, right side square send this side means whole to the power of 1 by 2. Then do answer range? Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 3. How minus 1 by 3? Ashish?
Yes, sir.
Range tell.
Yes, sir. Just a
How minus 1 by 3? Here 3 minus y. Okay. Then, tell. See, let us take number line. Minus infinity to infinity. Minus 3 and 3. In between 0, right? Then now range tell. Domain is minus 3 comma 3. Domain minus 3 comma 3. Then range. Ashish. Trishala.
minute.
Yes, sir.
Tell. Range is equal to closed interval 0 comma 3. Domain is same, minus 3 comma 3. Tell. Done? Okay, Ashish.
Okay, sir.
Then next, types of functions. Types of functions. First one, identity function. Identity function. the function f maps R to R is defined by f of x is equal to x for all x belongs to R. For all x belongs to R is called identity function. Identity function. Real to real. F of x is equal to x or y is equal to x. Center of the origin to the line, y is equal to x. Okay, Ashish?
Yes, sir.
X, y axis, x dash, y dash, origin. Now domain, right. Domain is equal to minus infinity comma infinity. Range is equal to minus infinity comma infinity. Domain, range both same. Identity function. Okay, Ashish, Trishala?
Sir,
Understood?
so what is written after?
Domain function and range function both are same, minus infinity to infinity, and range also minus infinity to infinity. Now identity function is f maps R to R is defined by f of x is equal to x. F of x is equal to x for all x belongs to R is called identity function. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, what is written after x in second line?
For all.
For all. Okay.
For all symbol.
Okay,
For
sir.
all. R right. For all right. X belongs to R. Okay. This symbol for all symbol. Next, constant function.
Just a minute, writing it.
Okay, Ajish. Next, constant function.
So can you read what you wrote? It's tough to read.
Okay. The function f maps R to R.
The function?
F maps R to R. F maps symbol mapping here.
Okay, sir.
Symbol. 2 dots mapping. F maps R to R is defined by f of x is equal to x. F of x is equal to x for all x belongs to R. For all.
Sir, what is that? That V thingy.
Which V? For
Yes,
all
sir, what is
symbol.
that?
For all.
Okay, sir.
For all x belongs to real number.
Okay, sir. So just a minute.
Is called identity function.
Should we draw that? Should we draw?
Graph.
Okay, sir.
Center of the origin to the line y is equal to x. Or f of x is equal to x. Same definition, right? The function f maps R to R is defined by f of x is equal to C, right? F of x is equal to C for all x belongs to R is called constant function. Constant function. Now here range is C. Graph is Ashish complete.
No, sir, no.
Like passenger. You are writing very slow. Dead
No,
slow.
sir, I'm writing the next definition.
Okay, okay. Rational or inverse function. If f and g are polynomial functions, polynomial function, and g of x is not equal to 0 for all x belongs to R, g of x is not equal to 0 for all x belongs to R, then function f by g, then function f by g defined by f by g into x is equal to f of x upon g of x. F of x upon g of x is called rational or inverse. inverse function. Inverse function f of x is equal to 1 by x. F of x is equal to 1 by x. One by x graph. F of x is equal to 1 by x graph. F of x is equal to 1 by x graph. Domain and range. Minus infinity comma 0 union 0 comma infinity. And range same, right? Minus infinity comma 0 union 0 comma infinity.
Sir, can you tilt it down?
Hmm?
Can you tilt it down?
Domain minus infinity comma 0 union 0 comma infinity. And range also same. Okay, done. Done, Ashish?
No, sir, almost.
Signum function. Now write the function f maps R to R is defined by f of x is equal to mod x by x. F of x is equal to mod x by x. Mod x by x. Here 1 is greater than 0. Here 0. X is equal to 0 minus 1. X less than 0. Mod x function, mod x is equal to minus 1 x less than 0 and plus 1 x greater than 0. X greater than or equal to 0. Is called signum function. Is called signum function. Domain minus infinity comma infinity, range minus 1 0 1. Understood? 1 0 minus 1. Next, modulus function. Oh, here minus x. Here minus x plus x. Ashish, here change not 1. Minus x plus x. Modulus function.
Okay, sir.
Same definition, right?
Sir, just a minute. So how many types are there?
Modulus and then next greatest, then graphs of x square is there, x cube is there, square root x is there, x 1 power 1 upon x square is there graph. These graphs and all important. Polynomial function, then greatest integer function, even and odd functions. That's it.
Okay, sir. So much is left.
Then one more class.
Okay, next class you'll complete.
Next class. Total complete the chapter.
Okay, sir.
Next class you are not coming. Why? Exams. Okay.
So I think next class only I'll be there.
Okay. Don't miss the class. Why you just 1.5 hour only? Come.
No, sir. Final exams. It's
Okay,
tough.
okay. Mhm. Mhm. The function f maps R to R is defined by f of x is equal to mod x. Only mod x, right? Mod x is equal to this one, right? Mod x is equal to this one, right? Then it is called modulus function. Which one? Modulus. Minus infinity comma infinity. Then range R plus. R plus means R plus R closed interval 0 comma infinity open. Okay, square bracket here. Then graph. Y is equal to minus x, y is equal to plus x. One is minus x, one is plus x. Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Next, graph of graphs, right? Graph of x square, y is equal to x square. Graph of y is equal to x square. X square graph, upward parabola. Y is equal to x square graph. Now domain is minus infinity comma infinity. Then range closed 0 comma infinity open. Next, graph of y is equal to x cube. Graph of y is equal to x cube graph. Domain, right? Minus infinity comma infinity, and range also same, minus infinity comma infinity. Okay, done, Ashish?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, then next class, remaining graphs, x, square root x, cube root x, then 1 upon x square, then greatest integer function, then even and odd functions, polynomial function. That's it.
Okay, sir.
These are and all types of functions. Then this chapter is over. Then next one more class. Okay. Don't miss the class. Ashish, Trishala.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Time is
Thank
over
you,
now. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Bye.